A short video on how to use the Freshdesk cloud phone. Click on the phone icon to open it. Add the account username and password to log in. Once logged in, the option to use auto register and/or WebRTC will show. Selecting auto register allows the login page to be skipped, whilst automatically using the credentials supplied when opening the application. Users on Apple products, Chromebooks and Linux operating systems should use WebRTC. Otherwise, when using Microsoft Windows, the external client is the recommended option. For this option, leave the WebRTC box unchecked and continue. The external client will open and show that it has registered successfully, and calls can now be made or received. To dial out, enter a number and click on the call button, or press enter on the keyboard to initiate the call. To answer an incoming call, press the answer button. When on a call, there are several controls to choose from. The dial pad button. This can be used to dial another number manually, or to navigate an IVR menu. The hold button, which is used to put a caller on hold, for example, to ask a colleague for assistance, as well as to make an attended transfer. The volume control slider, which will adjust the volume. The conference button, to add multiple lines to a single call. The transfer button for transferring the call to other parties. The speaker button to use the loudspeaker on the device. The mute button, which will silence your input. And the hang up button that ends the call. When creating a conference call, press the call tab and dial an additional recipient. Once the recipient answers, the conference button can be used to add all the lines to one call. With transfers, a call can be transferred to an internal destination, like a colleague, or an external one, such as a mobile phone. Click on the transfer button and dial the number to transfer to. During a transfer, there are two options: an unattended or blind transfer. This is when the call is transferred without speaking to the intended recipient first, or an attended transfer. This allows the agent to speak to the recipient before transferring the caller. Once a call is complete, the information will populate in the recent call list. This list can be used as a quick dial option. Cloud phone users can also change their phone status. This will be seen by all internal callers when they call or transfer to your extension. Lastly, personal settings can be adjusted. When settings are changed, press save to ensure all preferences are captured. Thank you for watching.